no.
What happened?
My cat is sleeping on my homework again.
Again?
Yes, she always does this.
That's actually very cute.
Cute for you, not for me.
What's your cat's name?
Luna.
Ah, Luna. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Is she friendly?
Very friendly, but also very lazy.
Sounds like my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max.
What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever.
Really, I love golden retrievers.
Max is very kind.
Big dogs are so sweet.
Yes, but he eats a lot.
I can imagine.
Sometimes I think he eats more than me.
That's funny.
Luna sounds calm.
Most of the time.
Most of the time,
Yes, at night she runs around the house like crazy.
cats do that.
She jumps on the sofa, the table, everything.
Does she break things?
Sometimes.
Oh no,
Last week she broke my favorite cup.
that hurts.
I was sad for 2 days.
Did you get angry?
I tried, but then she looked at me with big eyes.
And you forgave her.
Immediately.
Pets have special powers.
They really do.
Max also makes trouble sometimes.
Like what?
He steals socks.
Socks.
Yes, only socks.
That's so random.
I know.
What does he do with them?
He hides them under the bed.
That's hilarious.
One day I found 10 socks there.
10.
Yes, different colors, different sizes.
Max has a secret sock collection.
I think so.
Pets make life more fun.
Definitely.
Did you always want a dog?
Yes, since I was a child.
Me too, but I wanted a cat.
Did you have pets when you were young?
I had a small fish.
Just one fish?
Yes, his name was Bubble.
Bubble.
I was 8 years old, okay?
Sorry, that's actually cute.
Thank you.
How long did Bubble live?
About 2 years.
That's not bad.
I cried a lot when he died.
I understand.
Pets become family.
Exactly.
Did you have pets as a child?
I had a rabbit.
Really?
Yes, a white rabbit.
What was its name?
Snowball.
That is the perfect rabbit name.
Thank you.
Was Snowball friendly?
Very friendly, but he loved eating paper.
Paper.
Yes, my homework was never safe.
Maybe pets hate homework.
Maybe.
Luna also sits on my laptop.
Max sits on my feet.
Maybe they just want attention.
I think so.
Do you talk to your dog?
All the time.
Me too.
Sometimes I think Max understands everything.
Luna understands when I say food.
Dogs understand that word too.
Animals are smarter than we think.
I agree.
Does Max know tricks?
Yes, sit, stay, shake hands.
Wow,
He can also dance a little.
no way.
I'm serious.
I need video proof.
I'll show you later.
Please do.
What about Luna? Any tricks?
She can open doors.
That sounds dangerous.
It is.
Has she escaped before?
Twice.
Oh no.
One time she visited my neighbor's house.
Really?
Yes, she was sleeping on their sofa.
Like she owned the place.
Exactly.
Cats are very confident.
Too confident sometimes.
Does Luna like strangers?
Only if they give her food.
Honest cat.
Very honest.
Max loves everybody.
Everybody?
Yes, even the mailman.
That's rare.
He thinks every person is his friend.
That's adorable.
He gets excited very easily,
Dogs are usually very energetic.
especially Max.
Luna sleeps about 16 hours a day.
That sounds amazing.
I know, I'm jealous.
Same here.
Do you walk Max every day?
Twice a day.
Wow, that's a lot.
Morning and evening.
Good exercise for you too.
True.
I should exercise more.
You can borrow Max.
I think he would drag me down the street.
Maybe the little.
Big dogs are strong.
Very strong.
I like watching dog videos online,
Me too.
especially puppies.
Puppies are impossible to resist.
Tiny paws, tiny ears.
Tiny everything.
Do you remember when Max was a puppy?
Of course,
Was he naughty?
extremely naughty.
Tell me.
He chewed my shoes.
Classic dog behavior.
Free pairs of shoes.
Ouch.
Expensive lesson.
Did you get angry?
A little, but he looked too cute.
That's the problem with pets.
Exactly.
They destroy things, but we still love them.
Unconditionally.
That means without limits.
Good explanation.
I like learning English with real conversations.
Me too. It feels natural.
Unconditionally is a useful word.
Yes, people say dogs love unconditionally.
That's beautiful.
It really is.
Sometimes pets help people feel less lonely.
I believe that.
Luna stays near me when I feel sad.
Max does the same.
Animals can feel emotions.
I think so too.
One time I cried after a bad day.
What happened?
Work stress.
Ah, I understand.
Luna jumped onto my lap and stayed there quietly.
That's sweet.
I felt better after that.
Pets are comforting.
Yes, comforting means they help you feel calm.
Nice explanation.
Thank you.
Max helped me during a difficult time too.
Really?
Yes, last year I felt very stressed
About work.
about everything.
I'm sorry.
It's okay now.
What did Max do?
He stayed close to me every day.
Dogs are loyal.
Very loyal.
Loyal means they stay with you and support you.
Exactly.
Pets teach us love,
And patience.
especially patience.
Does Luna wake you up early?
Every morning,
What time?
around 6,
That's early.
she sits on my face.
No,
Yes,
that's aggressive love.
very aggressive.
Max wakes me up with kisses.
That sounds nicer.
Sometimes too many kisses.
Dog kisses are wet.
Very wet.
Do you let Max sleep in your bed?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, every night.
I knew it.
What about Luna?
Same.
Pets always win.
Always.
Do your parents like Luna?
My mom loves her.
And your dad?
He says he doesn't like cats,
But
but he secretly gives Luna snacks.
classic dad behavior.
Exactly.
My father was the same with Max.
Parents pretend not to care.
Then they become best friends with the pet.
So true.
Does Luna have funny habits?
Yes, she watches birds through the window for hours.
Like television for cats.
Exactly.
Max loves chasing butterflies.
That sounds impossible.
He never catches them.
Poor Max.
He still tries every time.
That's determination.
Big word.
It means he never gives up.
Ah, good to know.
English can be fun like this.
Learning naturally is easier.
I agree.
If you could have another pet, what would you choose?
Maybe a small dog.
Really?
Yes, a fluffy one.
Luna might get jealous.
Probably.
I want a turtle sundae.
A turtle.
Yes, they look peaceful.
That's true.
And they live a long time.
Very long.
Pets are all different.
But they all bring happiness.
That's a beautiful sentence.
Thank you.
Do you take many photos of Luna?
Too many.
Same with Max.
My phone is full of cat pictures.
Mine is full of dog videos.
Pet owners are all the same.
We really are.
Sometimes I show people 50 pictures of Luna.
And they must pretend to enjoy all 50.
Exactly.
I would enjoy them.
Thanks.
I think pets make people kinder.
I think so too.
They teach responsibility
And care.
and love.
Especially love.
I can't imagine life without Max now.
Same for me and Luna.
Pets become part of our daily routine.
Feeding them, playing with them, talking to them.
Cleaning after them too.
Ah, yes, not the fun part.
Definitely not.
But it's worth it.
Totally worth it.
I think listeners can learn many useful words today.
Like loyal, comforting, and energetic.
Also fluffy,
Very important word.
especially for cute dogs.
And cats.
And rabbits.
And maybe turtles.
Fluffy turtles do not exist.
Sadly,
This was such a fun conversation.
I enjoyed it too.
Talking about pets makes me happy.
Same here.
And it's great English practice.
Yes, simple and natural English.
Perfect for daily listening.
If you're learning English, keep practicing every day.
Listen again and repeat the sentences.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
And most importantly,
Enjoy learning English.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Give your pets a hug today.
Max would love that.
Luna too.
Bye.
Bye.